Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you the software where you to auto comment to any post that you want on Threads. So here is my software I currently using to manage and using multiple Thread accounts and also either Instagram accounts. So for all is account management. So in here you can add and manage a limited Instagram and Thread account that you want. So first, when you using this software, you don't have the category, so you need to add a new category to manage and using multiple accounts. And in here you can select category and add your account in here. And in here you can select the account you want and left click and choose login Threads like this, and the software will auto open browser and auto log into the account that you choose. Okay, so in each browser you can zoom in like this and use it just like a normal browser. And so for example, I want to own my account to go to comment to this post. I will go to copy this link of the post. Okay, and after having a link, I will close all the browser. If you want to auto comment, so first you need to prepare content. So I will go to content management to add a new content about comment. So in here you need to add a new category if you don't have it, and you can choose article. And in here you can select the category, the platform you want, the post type, the type of the post, you can choose article, the comment, the seating, texting, share. And next you will enter the post title and the content, and you also can select the video or image that you want, and you will press save to save content. And after having a content like this, you can go to thread function, and in here you can choose many options about portrait, thread comment, thread interaction, seeing thread, change thread information, or interactive story thread. So in here I will select the thread comment. So first I will select the account that I want to go to comment first. And next I will set up the basic configuration. First is a break in time between duration. I will set up from 10 to 20 seconds. And next I will set up the content. I will choose the content that I already add in the content management, and because I just have only one content, and I must choose allow duplicate content between action and account. And next you can choose the comment by profile or to the article ID or by keyword. If you choose by profile, you enter the ID profile in here, and if you comment by ID of the post, you enter the post in here. And if you comment by keyword, you enter the keyword in here, and each keyword is a line. Okay, I will press my port in here. And next you can set the number of comment each account will comment, and number of posts each account will go to comments. And below that you can choose my option about do not allow duplicate comment, or to delete the ID of the comment successful, or share the comment, or already comment to the article it has the keyword that you want, or you can choose lightweight commenting or disable review content containing link. And after everything set up, I will start and let the software do work. And in here you can see the result, the action is running on the account in the system diary. And when the software is notification that you comment successful, I will go back to the account management and log in back to my account to check the post that I go to comment. And here you can see that my post have many comments. Okay, so basically I just show you the software available you to auto comment to any post that you want on thread. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me in my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like, subscribe on my channel to see more video about automation software.